Hello, welcome to Modern Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move shoulder slide. If you've met the first move step across, you're going to find this very easy, but the only things you really need to have done are a first move and a shoulder slide. It looks like this. It goes 7. By the way, if you haven't done them, links in the description below. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's break it down. It starts exactly like a first move. In fact, we'll do it from the other side because I think this view is going to be more useful for you. So first move, we go back, we come in. The twist out for the ladies is exactly the same. The guys, we don't do a normal twist out. What we do is we take a step forwards across in front of the lady. So we're actually trying to get far enough that when we start lady walking forwards again in a second, we're not going to be in her way. So what happens is, guys, we start lady walking forwards with the right, we've continued forwards and get the right foot out of the way, so the lady's now walking across behind us. The left hand places the lady's hand onto the right shoulder, and you're into shoulder slide territory. The lady goes through, down the arm, ends up in the hand, and all we need to finish is a return and step back. Let's talk that through from the other side, give you the other view, and we'll talk about numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out, stepping across 3, walking the lady in and starting the slide 4, catching 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move shoulder slide. You go a back, in, twist, slide, catch, return and back. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And we really do appreciate everybody who does like and subscribe to videos. Music recommendation on the end. Give you something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.